Dogecoin is worth 1.1225 rands per coin, with a current price range of 1.08511.1299 and a previous day closing of 1.1080, representing a move of plus 0.0145 plus 1.31%. In the near future, the price of ZAR to Dogecoin is expected to rise in the month. Dogecoin is expected to cost 1.07 rands on Friday, June 16, with a high of 1.14 rands and a low of 1.00 rands. On Monday, June 19, the Dogecoin gauge priced 1.06 rands, with a high of 1.13 rands and a low of 0.99 rands. Dogecoin is expected to cost 1.06 rands on Tuesday, June 20, with a high of 1.13 rands and a low of 0.99 rands. On Wednesday, June 21, the Dogecoin gauge priced 1.05 rands, with a high of 1.12 rands and a low of 0.98 rands. On Thursday, June 22, the price of Dogecoin is expected to be 0.9 to 3 rands, 1.00 high, 0.86 low. On Friday, June 23, the price of one Dogecoin was 0.94 rands, with a top of 1.01 rands and a low of 0.87 rands. Dogecoin is expected to cost 0.94 rands on Monday, June 26, with a high of 1.01 rands and a low of 0.87 rands. On Tuesday, June 27, the value of a Dogecoin was 0.90 rands, with a high of 0.96 rands and a low of 0.84 rands. Dogecoin is expected to cost 0.94 rands on Wednesday, June 28, with a high of 1.01 rands and a low of 0.87 rands in 14 days. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, June 29 cost 0.86 rands high 0.92 low 0.80. Dogecoin figure on Friday, June 30 cost 0.85 rands high 0.91 low 0.79. Dogecoin figure on Monday, July 3 cost 0.85 rands high 0.91 low 0.79. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, July 4 cost 0.86 rands high 0.92 low 0.80. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, July 5 cost 0.86 rands high 0.92 low 0.80. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, July 5 cost 0. Dogecoin price forecast for Thursday, July 6 is 0.84 rands high 0.90 low 0.78. Dogecoin price forecast for Friday, July 7 is 0.86 rands high 0.92 low 0.80. Dogecoin price forecast for Monday, July 10 is 0.86 rands high 0.92 low 0.80. Dogecoin is expected to cost 0.87 rands high 0.93 low 0.81 on Tuesday, July 11 and 0.88 rands high 0.94 low 0.82 on Wednesday, July 12. On Thursday, July 13, Dogecoin was estimated to cost 0.89 rands, with a top of 0.95 rands and a low of 0.83 rands. Dogecoin is expected to cost 0.90 rands on Friday, July 14, with a high of 0.96 rands and a low of 0.84 rands. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, July 17 costs 0.88 rands high 0.94 low 0.82. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost forecast for June 2023 to begin with cost at 1.41 rands, exorbitant cost 1.45, while low cost 0.79. Found the middle value of cost 1.13. Dogecoin cost forecast for June 39.7%. Dogecoin forecast for July 2023 at the outset cost of 0.85 rands, excessive cost 0.96, while local cost 0.66. He reached at the midpoint of cost 0.80. Dogecoin forecast for the months and 0.71 change for July. 16.5% Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023 at the outset cost of 0.71 rands, excessive cost 0.74, while low cost 0.64. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.70 Dogecoin costs, conjecture toward the months, and 0.69 change for August. First and foremost, cost at 0.73 rands if exorbitant costs 0.73 while low cost 0.63. The discovered the middle value of cost 0.69 Dogecoin cost estimate for October. 6.8% Dogecoin estimate for November 2023 first and foremost cost at 0.68 rands if exorbitant costs 0.68 while low cost 0.57. The discovered the middle value of cost 0.64 Dogecoin cost estimate for November. 10.3% Dogecoin cost expectation for December. Before everything else, cost at 0.60 rands, extreme expenses 0.60 while minimal expense 0.47. He appeared at the midpoint of cost 0.54 Dogecoin cost figure for the months and 0.50 change for February. 16.7% Dogecoin figure for WAC 2024. Rands unreasonable expense 0.62 while minimal expense 0.50. They appeared at the midpoint of cost 0.55 Dogecoin cost figure toward the months and 0.58 change for spring. 16% Dogecoin cost assumption for April 2024 to begin with. Costs in any case. Cost at 0.58 rands, extravagant expense 0.65 while minimal expense 0.57. The discovered the center worth of cost 0.60 Dogecoin cost measure toward the months and 0.61 change for June 5. Direct 2% ZAR toward Doge trading scale identical to 0.8908 co 0.601171.30. Technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum. BTC hits a one-year high above $31,000 to start the weekend. Late on Friday night, the price of Bitcoin went over $31,000, which was the highest it had been in a year. After being mostly down at the beginning of the month, prices have risen by as much as 15% in the last week. Also, Ethereum went back above $1,900 for a short time. Bitcoin, BTC, bulls once again ruled the market, and late Friday night they pushed the price above the $31,000 level. As the day went on, BTC/USD went from a low of $29,927.28 to a high of $31,389.54 during the same session. This was the first time since June 6 of last year that the price of Bitcoin went above $31,400. Since hitting this high point, BTC has gone down a bit. And the Relative Strength Index, RSI, has gone below 73.00, which was the ceiling. The index is now at 72.53, which is